This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. All right. That was a bunch of... So is anyone working on anything cool?
Yeah, I was thinking about the icon
Yeah.
thing you showed earlier. So there's this library called MDI, Material Design Icons, which is like free and open source. Everyone can
Yep.
use it.
Cool.
So I just asked Claude, well, couldn't we just search for the appropriate icon that best
You
describes this script and make it download the SVG file, transform it in ImageMagick, save it as an icon file.
I think FFmpeg can convert SVG into the icon file.
We have a script that does it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And is it using ImageMagick or is it already?
Actually, FFmpeg uses the ImageMagick already.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I'm going from memory. I think I don't know why, and I don't know why I'd remember this, but in my memory, it actually did it without ImageMagick. But I could be wrong.
Oh, or maybe it was other way around. So ImageMagick uses FFmpeg. Let me ask.
The other way around. I think ImageMagick is much older.
No, I think you're right. Yeah. Let me share my screen here.
Yeah, I got the answer. ImageMagick does uses FFmpeg. So we are directly using FFmpeg and to convert SVG into the icon.
So you can drop a lot of different anything listed here. You can drop it. You can drop multiple files, and it'll convert it to to the file format you want.
Perfect.
We can select it, but yeah,
And you can also just drag URLs, or
no, you have
to download it first and then drag it in. Yeah.
What you can do? You have the library. It is in Python for icon creation or SVG creation.
No, this was I was just asking Claude how to do this more automatically, because that's usually what I do with my icons, like my tray icons. I just search the MDI library and try and manually find which one would I think is the best one. But then I thought, well, Claude just wrote this script for me. It should know which icon suits it best. So yeah.
Yes.
And then just
what you can do, you can create a CLI. So if there is a library is there written in any language or Python or something, so you can ask Claude, create this, use this library, create a CLI for AutoHotkey to creating the icon. So and then create a skill to create the icon, and then it will gonna create the icon for you using the CLI.
Yes. So actually wouldn't need to do anything, just fix this too.
Yeah. That's where it's great to just slowly stitch that process together where now it's hands off entirely, right? Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.